Is he going to jump in?
I know him, he lives near me.
Better not do that.
He doesn't know.
No, he's going to do it. He's
We'll
going
go on the other side to see what else is
Kaden,
there.
no, Kaden, he's going to do it.
Oh, no, he's
Tom,
not.
see, you said
He's going to get the emergency services out to fish him out of there, do you know? Wasting people's time. Other people need them more.
I don't know. He's a random guy.
Absolutely. He lives near me, to be honest. He's a plant, to be honest. What is he doing? I'm recording.
I think he's going to die.
He will.
Oh, fuck.
Wait! He's alive!
Uncle! He's got dragged under that and there's nobody
I know,
under
exactly, no.
It was pretty awesome.
What if this breaks? You never know how high.
Oh my god, look, Caitlin, look, it's starting to break up.
What's starting to break up?
It's trying to get up there. The water's getting larger.